this piece right here. His name is Pat. Pat is the pattern for our rafters. So I need to make, I believe it is 76 patterns of Pat here. So we'll see how fast I can do this.
In my opinion, this has been the hardest week so far in this build. Lydia and I have pushed our bodies to the point that we physically couldn't lift another board. It's extremely humbling when, despite your best efforts, you simply can't achieve the goals that you set for yourself. But with positive attitudes, we kept pushing on because we knew we had to push ourselves harder than ever before if we were going to protect our investment from the winter rains. We were so fortunate to have friends and family that recognized we were losing this fight. We asked no one for help because we didn't want to inconvenience anyone with our needs. We are beyond blessed to be surrounded by amazing people that simply begin showing up to help us and ask nothing in return. They arrive bringing tools, a barbecue pit, and food. Both of my brothers helped so much. One owns a construction company, shut down his own projects, and the other sacrificed his only day off to come help. Do you remember us talking about the high quality lumber that we've been receiving from MuddywaterCTLLC? What I haven't mentioned is that he also owns and runs a construction company where they do everything from pouring and finishing concrete to everything related with carpentry and steel buildings. His crew and his family rolled up and immediately began installing braces and roof sheet. We find ourselves beyond words of gratitude as we stand in awe of what this group of people has done for us. We have placed Muddy Water's contact information in the description. And if you live in South Louisiana and are looking for some high quality building material from honest, good-hearted people, we'd suggest you make contact with them.
Beware.
Yeah,
That sawdust is slick up here.